1 0 plus 5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
P1 tracking.
P3 tracking.
Plus 10
Magnificent
seconds.
lift-off of PSLV C-57 with Aditya L1 on board.
Plus 15 seconds.
PSLV C-57 का सफल उत्थापन और इसके साथ
20 seconds.
प्रथम भारतीय सौर अंतरिक्ष यान निकल चुका है सूर्य के
Plus
तेज से
25
विज्ञान को प्रकाश करने।
Aditya L1, India's first mission to study Sun, is expected to provide deeper understanding of coronal heating and solar wind acceleration, coupling and dynamics of the solar atmosphere, solar wind distribution and temperature anisotropy, and initiation of coronal mass ejections, flares, and near-Earth space weather. The Aditya L1 mission has various uniqueness. The mission will provide for the first time spatially resolved solar disk in near UV band and observe CME dynamics very close to the solar disk. The mission will have onboard intelligence to detect CMEs and solar flares and provide directional and energy anisotropy of solar wind. The Aditya L1 mission is unique in its capabilities. The mission probes the dynamics of the coronal mass ejection close to the solar disk, which provides information on the acceleration regime of the coronal mass ejection. The mission also captures the information on the energy distribution, flux, and directionality of the solar wind. This also enables getting early information on the space weather events. The Aditya L1 mission carries a suite of 7 scientific payloads to carry out systematic study of the Sun. The Visible Emission Line Coronagraph (VELC) studies the solar corona and dynamics of coronal mass ejections. The Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope (SUIT) payload images the solar disk in near ultraviolet and also measures the solar irradiance variations. The Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment, Aspects and Plasma Analyzer Package for Aditya, PAPA payloads study the solar wind and energetic ions as well as their energy distribution. The Solar Low Energy X-ray Spectrometer, SOLEXUS, and the High Energy L1 Orbiting X-ray Spectrometer, Helios, study the X-ray flares from Sun over a wide energy range. The magnetometer payload is intended to measure the interplanetary magnetic field at the L1 point. The science payloads of Aditya L1 are indigenously developed by different laboratories in the country. VELC is developed at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru, Suit Instrument at Inter-University Centre for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune. Aspects Instrument at Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. PAPA payload at Space Physics Laboratory, Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre, Thiruvananthapuram. SOLEXUS and Helios payloads at UR Rao Satellite Centre, Bengaluru, and the magnetometer payload at the Laboratory for Electro-Optic Systems, URSC.